All right, what's up, y'all? So we are in our second week of our 3-week fasting progression experiment, and I just want to cover the basic rules and guidelines for the second week, which, if we're ready for it, is an SHT fast. So I'm just going to talk about what constitutes the SHT fast, and then we'll talk about the progression again, and depending on where you are with things, you can kind of meet us where you are, right? So remember, we believe in progression-based everything. We believe in kind of easing yourself into, more and more challenging levels of difficulty, whether it's foods, going without things, experiments, and especially when it comes to fasting. And so it's kind of useful to keep in the back of your mind how far you've gone with different things and how comfortable you feel. And remember, we never want to force anything. Like, we're playing with this, we're tinkering with it. And remember, the reason that we're doing this is because for all of us, we just want to be happier. Fasting is a big piece of this overall nutrition thing. And, the majority of us, I would say, either want better body composition, improved health markers, or improved performance. And fasting is going to give that to all of us because fasting, is healthier over the long term because it's improving metabolic flexibility. The fat burning component is less damaging to the body. It's more efficient energy utilization. Metabolic flexibility gives us better performance. And all the things that we've already talked about from the benefits of fasting, all right? So just keep that in the back of your mind. Every one of the fasts that we're going to experiment with, whether it's the fat fast, the SHT fast, or a water fast, are all designed to give us the benefits that we're looking for. So it doesn't mean that if you can't do the SHT fast, if you fall back to a fat fast, that you're going to lose some kind of benefit, because you're not. They're all going to give you the benefits that we're looking for. All right, and then remember, as we're progressing through these different types of fasts, we have our different durations. We've got that 16, 18-hour skipping breakfast duration. We've got the 24-hour fast, which is basically one meal in a day, or could be technically like a 22 or 23-hour fast. And then we've got the 36 and 48-hour fast, which is basically a 2-day fast. And then we've got the extended fast. All right. Now, remember, the fat fast basically was having an intention of fasting. And then if for whatever reason we feel like we have to eat something because we don't want to get into a situation where we feel extremely uncomfortable, low blood sugar, we can't function at work, we can't function around family members, then the fallback is something meaty and fatty. All right, so it's still reinforcing the signal of fat for fuel. It's low carb. We're still going to get the benefits that we're looking for from a fast. The second level, or the next level of difficulty, is going to be an SHT fast. Now, within an SHT fast, we can have bone stock, we can have fats like heavy cream in our coffee, or coconut milk or coconut cream in our coffee, and we can also do some things like butter. You can even throw in a half an avocado here and there, but the purpose of this SHT fast is to bring the fast to another level of difficulty. We're still minimizing caloric input, but having some bone stock, having some fat is still going to reinforce the signal of fat for fuel, and this is probably the default fast for most of us, all right? So what we want to do, just keep in mind, during an SHT fast, all the other things are still available to us, like mineralized water. You can have coffee and tea, again with some fat, some heavy cream, some coconut milk or coconut cream. And then bone stock, I'd say maybe, depending on how long you're going, twice a day. So if you're looking for, shooting for a 24-hour fast, maybe you have a cup of bone stock in the morning or midday or something to kind of get you through that space. If you're going into a 36 or 48-hour fast, I would say a cup of bone stock in the morning and a cup of bone stock in the evening is perfectly fine. So 2 cups of bone stock. And really, you just do what you got to do anyway, right? If for whatever reason you feel like you have to eat something or fall back to something, if you want to keep the benefits of the fast, you can fall back to a fat fast. Or if you've made it as far as you want to go, you can just have a normal meal, and that's perfectly fine too, okay? So let's have some fun with this. Again, we're going to go as long as we can, whether it's like midday, 24, 36, 48, and beyond. I'm actually traveling, going to Idaho to help Arnica pick up some of her stuff and visiting some family. So more than likely, I'm going to do an SHT fast for the majority of the day. For a 24-hour fast, I'll eat this evening, whatever family has available, and then I'll do another SHT fast tomorrow and do the same thing most days, all right? So again, be easy on yourself, have fun with it. Let me know if you have any questions, all right? Talk to y'all later.